Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio. Here we are in this 2011 Chrysler Grand Voyager, where we've just installed a KENWOOD DMX8020 wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay receiver. Let me show you what we've done. Give us a second.
Whenever they saw my surname, they'll go off. No one tells you this stuff, you know, what you're meant to be doing.
There it is in all its beauty. We've fitted a DAB aerial on the windscreen for this one. We've retained use of the steering wheel controls, which are hidden behind the steering wheel here. This has got DAB, Bluetooth, USB, HDMI in, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, microphones up at the top there, you can just about see it. USBs are nicely hidden in this little pocket down here for easy access, but the customer doesn't need to plug their phone in because it's all wireless. You can also support reverse camera, front parking camera. You could even plug an Amazon Fire Stick in if you wanted to expand. Anything else, you know what to do, get in contact.